Have you ever felt frustrated trying to learn English and understanding nothing because the person who was teaching spoke way too fast? If that's your case, welcome to Slow English, Fast Learning. I am Charlie, and here I speak slowly and clearly for you to understand what is being taught and become more motivated and confident to continue learning. Because especially for beginners and intermediates, understanding what is being taught is the first step to not giving up. Isn't that true? In today's video, I will show you 7 practical steps to unlock your English. Slowly and clearly, you will see that each step can be easily applied in your daily life whenever you can. And I guarantee you, applying each step for about 10 minutes per day, you will quickly feel the evolution in learning, improving your level of speaking and comprehension of English. But it's important to have consistency and practice a little every day, agreed? Oh, and watch the video until the end, because there's a special section with 5 words considered difficult in English, but that you will learn and use in your daily life today. So get ready there and concentrate because we're going to start with the 7 steps to learn English with confidence and speed. Let's go. Step 1. Use free time with intelligence. Learning English doesn't mean that you need to separate hours from your day. On the contrary, you can fit learning perfectly into your breaks and free moments. You know that little time on the bus or while making coffee or washing dishes? That's when you can listen to short audio or watch a video in English like this one here. Similarly, you can choose to keep repeating phrases that you already know and at the same time building others. For example, when washing dishes, you can say, I am washing the dishes. Repeat several times. It can be mentally, but if you speak in your natural conversation tone, you hear yourself and absorb better what you are saying. Then, use that phrase as a base to build several others. This helps you train vocabulary, grammar, and fluency at the same time. In our example here with dishes, make small variations like the dishes were dirty, the water to wash the dishes is hot, I will wash the dishes at dinner, I washed the dishes yesterday. See how any moment of the day generates a world of possibilities to practice your English? Step 2. Reinforce words in sentences. Learning isolated words can be frustrating, and in practice, you won't use them like that. The secret is in learning vocabulary within sentences. For example, instead of learning the word book in isolation, practice with sentences like these. I am reading a book. This book is very interesting. The book has 100 pages. After finishing this book, I'll read another. Besides fixing the meaning better, you train how words really work together. This will help you feel more secure while forming complete sentences. Step 3. Talk with yourself. Have you ever imagined training English by talking alone? It might even seem strange, but it's one of the best ways to lose fear and build confidence. Don't worry if others think you've gone crazy for talking alone. The important thing is you improving your learning. For example, while doing your tasks at home, keep asking yourself and answering out loud. See example of how to do this. Ask, what am I doing now? You yourself answer, I am learning English. Then ask, and after learning English, what will I do? And answer, after learning English, I will take a shower. And keep doing this with home activities, at the gym, when going to the supermarket, and whenever you can. This works because you train your brain to think in English naturally without depending on translation. Besides that, questions are powerful tools. When you learn to ask and answer, you automatically unlock your fluency. So what are you doing now? Comment down here, but comment in English. Step 4. Read and repeat short texts. To learn English, you don't need to start reading enormous books. Small excerpts like texts from English apps, news headlines, or even recipes already help tremendously. Cultivate the habit of taking short texts with few sentences and read, even if you don't understand anything. Keep reading out loud and repeat for about 10 times without rush at your pace. You will notice that your reading on the 10th time will be much better than it was on the first, and this gives an indescribable feeling of victory. Not to mention that each reading is an opportunity to expand your vocabulary and your confidence. Thus, you motivate yourself to repeat this practice again and again and again. Step 5. Do creative visualization. This one particularly is my favorite step. I don't know if you believe in the power that each one of us has in our mind. Anyway, what I want to say is that everything we learn and do daily and in our lives arose first in the mind. The car, the refrigerator, the house, the paper, the furniture, the medicines, the script of a movie, and everything that exists in the world only exists physically because someone imagined these things first in the mind. So, separate about 5 minutes per day to visualize yourself speaking English, talking with people confidently, asking for information and understanding what they answer, traveling the world and speaking with confidence. See every detail, the tone of people who speak, the phrases coming out of your mouth, the sound of words you hear. The more details you put in the visualization, the more real it becomes and more your mind understands that that moment needs to be built. Preferably, do this visualization before sleeping or waking up, because these are moments when the mind is lighter and more open to suggestions we give it. I'm sure it will help a lot in learning, but do it every day. How about starting to do this today? Step 6. Train with your family and friends. Have you thought that your desire to learn English might be the same as a family member, a friend, or work colleague? Comment with people close to you that you are learning or improving your English, and that it would be ideal to have someone to practice with to accelerate learning. It might be that the person you talk to is in the same learning moment as you, which will be good for both. Don't be ashamed to ask and expose. You and the person who embarks with you on this journey only have to gain. As soon as you find your learning partner, establish a conversation session at least 3 times per week. It can be in person, by phone, or video conference. In these formats, you improve speaking and comprehension of English. However, it's also important to talk by text message to improve writing. So, now send a message to some family member or friend in English and start practicing together. Step 7. Have fun while learning. I left this one last because it's the most important step. Learn English by having fun. Like music? Try singing along in English. Watch movies or series. Add 1 episode with English subtitles per week. Enjoy cooking? Look for recipes in English and try following them. Learning accelerates a lot when it's part of something you love doing. So, discover what you like and bring English to your routine. It's simple, light, and of course, super fun. So, which of the 7 steps did you like most? Feel free to comment below. By commenting, you fix the content in your mind. And if you're enjoying the video, go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel so that new videos appear for you. Well, my dear friend, as promised at the beginning of the video, I will leave. Here now 5 words that people have difficulty pronouncing or understanding. And since my purpose is to help you learn in an easy and fast way, with slow English, I will say the word, its meaning, and an example of sentence where the word was used. Okay? But you won't stay there passive. I will say the word and give some seconds for you to repeat at least 3 times. Let's go. Whoever learns faster is whoever practices more. Always remember this. Let's start. First word, awesome. The meaning is incredible, extraordinary. Example. This movie is awesome. Come on, now it's your turn. Repeat 3 times. Awesome. Very good. The more you repeat, the more you accelerate learning. Second word, tough. The meaning is difficult, challenging. Example. This test is really tough. Now it's with you. Tough. Cool. Let's continue. Third word, through. The meaning is through something. Example. We walked through the park. Repeat, through. Very good. Continuing. Fourth word, thought. The meaning is thought. Example. I had a great thought today. That's it. Let's go to the fifth word, reach. The meaning is reach, attain. Example. You can reach your goals. Very good. I know you are making effort. I will leave a suggestion for you to practice even more. Choose one of these words and write a sentence with it in the comments. This helps a lot to fix the content in your mind. We are almost reaching the end, but first I insist on leaving here a summary of what you learned in this video. Let's remember the 7 steps to accelerate your English. Step 1. Use free time with intelligence. Step 2. Reinforce words and sentences. Step 3. Talk with yourself. Step 4. Read and repeat. Short texts. Step 5. Do creative visualization. Step 6. Train with your family and friends. Step 7. Have fun while learning. And here goes a bonus tip. To consolidate everything you learned, watch this video at least one more time. Each time you rewatch, you will notice you are absorbing something new and improving your English. And if you liked it, take advantage to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you will always receive new videos and continue your learning with Slow English Fast Learning. Thank you for being here and congratulations for your effort in learning or improving your English. I am proud of what you are doing. I expect you in the next video. Until then.